कितनी देर की रिकॉर्डिंग होती है इसमें?
फिलहाल तो 1 घंटे की बची है। बैठ जाओ, चल रही है रिकॉर्डिंग।
So you can see this is our building, our neat and clean office. Now you can have a look
दिखाओ फिल्म का हीरो।
outside. So we are going to shoot
वीरू जा रहे हैं।
the havoc conditions which are prevailed in Gurgaon due to raining. What happens to engineers of NITs? So
Where is the
meet
driver?
our driver, Mr. Abhishek. So we'll have a tour, short
And we
tour,
have
just a
our
quick
director,
tour. Just
Mr.
stay
Sumit.
with us. This is your VJ Sumit. Now we should move. So you can see here, rain is everywhere. There is water, and you can have a look at the vehicle that is coming behind us. It is trying to pull us out. You can have the condition of, you can see the condition of the road. You can also see the water spilling. So you can see Gurgaon has never been a place to live, even to visit. Just have a look how many conditions, how worse conditions we have to face. This is a pretty poor rickshaw wala. He is earning his worst conditions. So you can see. Now I think I should not say anything. Better you focus on seeing the things. We have nightmare. And for your information, I must tell you that VJ Sumit is currently sick. I am suffering from cold because I was caught by rain yesterday. Still, I am afraid that same thing should not happen today as well. And we have to take a halt here because we don't know whether there's a pit out ahead. So we just,
What my strategy is to let some bike go ahead and then find out whether that bike falls into a pit or not. And now I'll go on the same line as that bike has gone. Just you can see that.
so have a quick focus on that. And we are having a lot of vibrations in the recording. Oh, you can have a look at this rider as well.
You can see that driver got distracted over there. So I won't be taking that route, and I'm just allowing some another bike or scooter to go from there. You can see that smoke coming out through the bonnet of that car, and you can see that collateral damage that this car is going to cause us. So
And yes,
bloody
we have
asshole.
got dirty. So just stay with us. You can see how much difficulty we have to face to just provide you a very good recording. What things we have to face. How much struggle is there. Come on, Mr. Abhishek, you continue. And the people are wondering what we two crazy people are doing right in between this hell of water. And here we just avoided to fall.
Ever
And
since we have
this
left,
is
this is the time when I have got the bike into second gear.
much cleaner road, but still you can see this is the cleaner road where that is half filled with water and half is clean. Again, I am afraid that we would be having a huge traffic jam ahead as well. So at that time you also have to show your patience to watch this recording. Please stay tuned, don't go anywhere.
There is an option of pause and continue in stepping. You can pause it and you can continue it whenever you want.
You can also enjoy some songs if you want to in Vijay Sumit's voice in between. And here we take a kacha path. The path is not much clear, but you can see this is not worth to drive on. जी करता है ये मेरा मैं चिल्लाऊं. Oh God, we are stuck into the mud. There is no rescue. I have to get down. Just wait. And yeah, I got down and bike is stuck into mud fiercely. There is no rescue. Just have a closer look Abhishek has done something very fierce with this now. You can see.
So bad.
I think Abhishek will be needing me. Should I come to your rescue? Okay, just
Pause पे लगा दे
hold.
भाई.
You can see. This is the worst one can have with this bike. Mud will be. You can see Abhishek's pants as well. Mud is. Oh,
कैमरा बंद हो गया.
how come?
क्लिप पता नहीं सेव हुई होगी कि नहीं होगी. वापस से स्टार्ट करो क्लिप को.
क्या करूं?
क्लिप चल रही है अपनी वही वाली.
वही चल रही है. Oh, and we just. What are you doing, यार? जी करता है मेरा मैं चिल्लाऊं, दुनिया पाले ये समझे मैं पागल हूँ. Rock on, अरे. And this is welcome to hell. This is simply what I want to say. I'll take your leave for now. We'll be right back after a very